Good morning! Day 4 in Porto. Woo! So we just got up, got ready. We're gonna go head down to breakfast. Then we're gonna come back up, do everything we have to do. Then we're gonna head to the city and do the other bus tour. There's 2 routes for the bus tour that we purchased. So yesterday we did like the historical one, which was like all of the places like in the city, and then the one we're doing today is actually the like beach one, where like you go around to like the beach towns and stuff. We're gonna have a really good seafood dinner. It's actually Mother's Day today, so happy Mother's Day to all the mummies out there. Happy Mother's Day to my mommy. Yesterday my sister and I bought her a Pandora charm for Mother's Day, so she has a little something from Porto and a little something for Mother's Day. But we're gonna head down to breakfast because I'm hungry, and I'll show you guys my outfit, and then we'll be on our way to breakfast. Yay! Today's outfit. This dress is from Forever 21. I got it on clearance for $9. I have my Converse on again, my Fucci belt. This like rosary looking necklace is from, I believe, either H&M or Amazon, I believe. These earrings are H&M, and this backpack is Walmart. Yay! It's supposed to be like 85 today, so we're dressing cool and calm and comfy. Woo! Matoshinos, I think is the name of it. We always pronounce it wrong, but we made it. It's the beach town. It's so beautiful out today. We're gonna head to the beach. We just walked by some restaurants I'm sure I showed you guys. already, but we're gonna head to the beach and I'll show you guys what the beach looks like when we get there. We're here getting lunch. We're at this place called Porto. We're here for Mommy's day lunch. My mom loves seafood, so we're here for her. I saw they have some crab dip. I love crab dip, so gonna get some wine, some lunch. It's gonna be a good time. All day, but it has been such a beautiful day here in Porto, right guys?
Amazing.
It's Mother's Day.
Wonderful. Wish you were here.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Thank you, my darling.
I'm perfect. I'm the perfect daughter. But as you guys can see, I got a nice tan at the beach. You guys probably saw it. I vlogged it. But I realized I really haven't talked to you guys today because it's been so hot. I've been very sweaty. Me hot is not a good time for anybody because I get very moody because I'm warm. But it's a very nice, beautiful evening. We're sitting right on the water, as you guys can see. I'm not showing you, but we had some nice pastries. The pastel de nata is what they're called. I think we've had one every day we've been here. I had a crepe yesterday, which was bomb. But we're just hanging out, waiting for the sunset, which is in like 20 minutes. And then we're gonna walk around a little bit and go back to the hotel. And yeah, that's really it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna hang out by the pool for half the day. You have something on your face? And then we're gonna go back to where we were today to get some more seafood because it was delicious. It's called Matoshinos. Matoshinos is what it's called. So today was the last day of the bus tour and the thing that we bought, so we have to cab it there. But my sister wants to go to the wine caverns, as she says, but they're wine caves. All she has been saying this trip is she wants to go to the wine caves, but it's caverns. I mean, the wine caverns, but it's caves. So yeah, she's a mess. What? Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys. It's been a wonderful day here in Porto. But yeah, that's really it. I'll see you guys probably when we get back to the hotel. I'll show you guys around a little. Oh.